Hello, I am Dan Mason. Here, I am responding to another atheist on YouTube. After posting my video, I received this reply. The claim that evolution is definitively proven overlooks inherent complexities and unanswered questions within the theory, especially when considering the origins of highly complex biological structures and systems. Here, we will explore how intelligent design, ID, provides a coherent alternative framework, emphasizing the evidence and arguments that support its validity. Irreducible complexity. One of the fundamental pillars of ID is the concept of irreducible complexity. This concept asserts that certain biological systems cannot be simplified without losing their fundamental function, suggesting they were designed in their complete form. For instance, the bacterial flagellum, often highlighted in ID discussions, is composed of numerous interacting parts, each essential for the flagellum's motor function. The simultaneous requirement for all these parts challenges the gradualistic evolutionary model, which posits incremental changes through natural selection. ID argues that such complex systems appearing fully formed is more consistent with a design model, where an intelligent cause tailored these systems for specific purposes. Specified complexity. ID also examines the specified complexity in biological organisms, particularly in genetic information. DNA contains highly complex information that is not just random but also specific and functional. The sequence and structure of DNA are such that they precisely encode the information necessary to synthesize proteins and regulate biological processes. ID proponents argue that the probability of such intricate design arising from random mutations and natural selection is exceedingly low. Instead, they suggest that such complexity points to deliberate design by an intelligent agent, akin to the way human beings design complex software or machinery. Fine-tuning of physical constants. In addition to biological complexity, ID considers the fine-tuning of universal constants and the laws of physics as indicative of design. Constants, such as the gravitational constant, the electromagnetic force, and the cosmological constant, are precisely calibrated to allow for the existence of life. The narrow ranges for these constants necessary for life to exist at all suggest deliberate tuning. ID theorists argue that this fine-tuning is best explained by an intelligent cause that intended the universe to support life rather than by random chance or physical necessity. Challenges to transitional fossils. ID also critiques the fossil record's ability to support the gradual transitions posited by evolutionary theory. Proponents of ID argue that the fossil record, particularly around critical junctures like the Cambrian explosion, shows a sudden appearance of diverse animal forms without clear evolutionary predecessors. This lack of transitional forms is seen as a challenge to the evolutionary explanation, which expects numerous intermediate forms. ID suggests that these patterns are more consistent with periodic inputs of information and design, potentially from an intelligent source. Philosophical underpinnings. Beyond empirical evidence, ID raises philosophical questions about the nature of scientific explanations. ID proponents argue that the exclusion of any explanations that invoke an intelligent cause is a limitation of modern science, not a strength. They advocate for a broader methodological approach that considers all explanatory hypotheses on their merits, including those that consider intelligent causation. Conclusion. In summary, while evolutionary theory has provided valuable insights into the diversity of life, it does not fully account for the origin of complex biological information and the fine-tuning observed in nature. Intelligent design offers a viable alternative that interprets these phenomena as the products of a purposeful design by an intelligent cause. ID's arguments, grounded in observations of irreducible and specified complexity, as well as the fine-tuning of the universe, provide substantial support for considering design alongside other scientific explanations for the complexity and diversity of life on Earth. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you in the comments.